welcome guys from the short. Tag me.
What's up, y'all? We're back.
So this is Livy. Her TikTok is Olivia Zello. And again, I'm the Crystal and Zola Show. We'll be right back. Yeah. Alright guys, we're back.
Kevin, let's go back over to the big house.
So the big barn back there has a whole ton of animals. We'll go over that later. We'll go over that section later. For now, I think we should show them back here.
So, Devin, can we,
Wait, no, let's go in order from the biggest to the smallest.
let's just redo the whole tour, though? Because
No,
I
it's
need
fine.
to redo a different video, though, so.
You do that now.
Okay, hi, guys. It is me and...
Devin, but you can call me Crystal if you want. What?
And
No, call me Belle if you want.
she has a YouTube channel. It is...
The Crystal and Solar Show.
Yeah, she's like obsessed with that stuff. So we're here at the farm, and we're just gonna show you around and stuff.
Yep, as you can see, this.
First, we're by the big cows. Devin, let's go in the,
I hate you.
let's go in the cows. Yeah, there's some cows who are brats, and we're like trying to get our cows out.
Yeah. This is the milk cow pen. Oh, my phone's dying. This is day 17. She's one of ours. And that's Treasure, being walked by my cousin, Minnie.
Yeah,
Minnie.
let's show them the barn.
Now let's go in here, because that's a big barn.
Yeah.
Guys, if you just randomly clicked on this video, go check out the short. So, and it's pretty loud in here, so it'll be hard to hear us.
Some of the cows are here.
But if you did come from the short, cool. If you didn't, come go check it out. Hi, we found a sweetheart with no tag. We got some laying down. Probably.
There's a cow that looks like she just had a baby. And some bunch of sweethearts. But, well, not many sweethearts.
Yet there are some bulls here, so we need to be careful.
Yeah, there are some bulls, and the owners of the farm warned us about one of them.
He's got a nose ring. Yeah, the cows will do that. Get
Where's
cool.
Odie?
Don't know, but I think I see the big
Oh, yeah,
bull
some
man.
of the cows put their legs in the water
Well, that's
to,
cool
like,
off.
cool off.
Yeah. Here's a sweetheart jersey. Gina. Hi, Gina.
These cows are awesome. This one's so cute, Devin, this one's cute.
Yeah. I
Why
don't
would
trust
there
going
be-
in there.
Why would there be
So they can mate.
the milking group?
Yeah, so they can mate.
So where were there's two different big cows.
So this is the milk pen, and that's for the preggy cows. Some of the preggy cows get put in here because they're really close. And when the pregnant cows are like really close to having kids, if they're like first timing, they get put in here to like get to know the layout. Side note, that is an electric fence, so be careful. And there's Siren Head. So this is the pregnant cow pen. I do have a review here. Surprisingly clean waters. Can drink from it. Here there are a ton of sinkholes. So it's really good to follow the cow steps. Cows know where they're going. They know where the holes are. Sometimes, like, I just saw one. Around here somewhere, you'll be able to actually see where it is.
There is a lot of cows.
Yeah. Nobody else is back here now. See, as of right here, you can actually see where a sinkhole is. Anyway. Yeah, do not trust any places.
Some cows are mean.
Side note, everyone, be careful when you're at the farm. Like that, I almost just stepped in that. That is pothole. Those are like some of them are like foot deep. That was really funny. That one day I got to see Jake get taken down by a hole in the ground that was covered up by that.
Maybe. I'm gonna follow you.
Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm coming up to look in here. This is just like a little ruin area. There's a freaking bird nest.
There's a bunch of cows.
There's a whole ton. Surprisingly clean water, actually, that you can actually drink.
I would not recommend it, but okay.
She shames me for it.
I would not drink water that cows drink out of because
She
I
shames
don't know
me.
what's in the cow's mouth.
Mainly just food. Dude, it's literally just cow food.
I don't care. I don't want to drink cow food either.
So this is the water tank. Pretty simple.
Now let's watch Devin drink out of it.
All right.
Your video
Hey.
didn't see it.
I know. Because I can't hold a thing and drink at the same time. I got to hold most of my hair
I
back.
could have held it for you. Oh, here is a cow. I don't know who it is, but it's one of ours.
Go check out Olivia Tella's TikTok channel and watch the video. Or videos. And you should just see me drinking out of the cow water. Hey, anyway, I was thirsty anyway, so... Electric fence. Would not recommend doing this, but it's our way of not having to go around that stupid gate. You gotta be careful getting down too.
Because I let you put it on now. I want to walk.
Alright, we're getting out now. We're gonna show you the. Come on, Liv.
Nope, we got to do again.
I've been walking her. I did walk.
I love leaving her. And we will see you. And we will be right back. Bow. You will just hear Livy talk to you if you are on her if you go to her thing. Mainly, I would watch the entire vid.
The babies that are from
Hey, how much time have you been recording for?
8 minutes and 2 seconds.
Yeah, TikTok only allows 10
I
minutes.
know. Here are the baby cows that come from huts. Yep. This guy's just a little sweet. A little sweet girl.
And these are the smaller ones.
And these are small ones. Which some of them are pretty small.
And it's just a pool.
So they should be in here, but there's a bunch of Jersey.
And there's just a whole crap ton of pool,
And
quote unquote,
should we show them
quote
the
unquote,
baby
pool water.
rat? And
Hopefully,
yesterday when we were here, there was a baby rat came on my shot.
and it is still there.
Still here. It's just so cute.
Hi, baby. You're gonna be okay.
Just so miserable. Okay, come back for part 2. So, and that's where they'll show you like the goats and the donkeys and the sheep and the baby cow.
If y'all didn't hear that, something's moving back there, so we gotta go.
Yeah, see you at part 2. Come back for part 2. Okay? Bye.
Epic transition. There's a goat in there. There's sheep. There's 2 sheeps, 2 dunkos. Don't go off. Crap ton of goats. We are a friend of someone whose grandpa owns a farm, so this is where we keep them. Here are their goats, because they also do several different 4-H things. Yeah. Now we get to go show you the best ones.
There's him.
Yep. There's crazy loving little Jersey.
She got a little cut on her bum.
Yeah,
Don't
just
show
gonna.
that one. It's not a very good thing to show on TikTok.
I can show it on YouTube. I just have to go with 4 warnings.
The little one that's laying
Weird
down
pair of
has,
twins.
um,
Come here, honey.
This is Winna. This is Devin.
We already showed you her, but that's better. Brand new one.
I don't know. This one's a baby.
I already showed mine.
Wait.
I'm gonna show you again.
You talking about this baby?
Probably. I don't know.
That was this one because we were talking about that baby. Here's another little girl.
Crazy.
This is my favorite.
This one's really skittish and scared.
He is floppy and fast.
This is where we walk my little baby Winna.
Yeah, we walked her into the baby cow over here.
Because why not? We don't got anywhere else to do. Hi. That's the house. We're not gonna show you in there because we don't have permission right now.
Let's show them my course. Let's go pet them. We're now gonna go climb in.
Well, I'm not climbing in. I'm gonna come up to her.
Can you help us for a minute?
Hi, honey.
Show
She
them.
goes in.
Show me climbing.
Winna, stop.
Winna, I don't want to kick you. Get.
You recording? You're just recording her going in, and there goes my child. Take your stupid phone.
I'm going in the hut with Winna. Ew, Winna, that's disgusting, little girl. She's so cute.
She's tiny.
That one knows.
I'll leave it live. I'm ditching it. Oh, that's where you two went. I would chase her, but who knows where Liv went?
What's up?
Hello.
What were you doing?
I was showing more about the barn.
Oh.
I found the mother and the daughter
Where?
of the child. They were hiding behind the tractor.
Where?
They ran off.
No, the one that were in the pen.
Maybe. Probably them. All right, guys. Bam! That's it. Hey, just popping in. Now it's time for bloopers. This is gonna be fun. All right, we'll show you some bloopers, and that'll be the end of my video. She's already done. Hello. Oh. Okay. Okay. No! Come back! Okay.
On your,
Ah!
on your
Don't fall.
phone?
Yes. Boop-a-da-ba. Okay, so surprisingly clean cow water. Actually, you can drink it. She shames me for doing it.
I would not recommend it because it's disgusting.
Whatever. It's drinkable, actually, so.
This drinkable.
Yeah. She's crazy.
Okay. Now we're gonna film Devin drinking it because Devin's retarded. Okay.
Refreshing.
The cows think you're insane.
Okay, so now we're gonna go and show you the little cow. I just slipped on cow crap. And this is Treasure. Voice crack. Bye, Liv. Voice crack. And hit. Anyway, guys, that is all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button, drop subscribe, join my Discord, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, superstars. Stay super. Son of a.